You say, well, why are we even doing this, right? Why, right? Right? The real reason why is what's happening on a microscopic level. Now this is the madness of it. Why charcoal? Charcoal is extremely porous. A little piece of charcoal like this, maybe 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, has the surface area of a tennis court. So, all of the elements that of fertilizer, moisture, and water will absorb or absorb into the charcoal. So it holds all of these wonderful nutrients right there in the soil. And it does not allow the rain to wash away the minerals and the nutrients that you put in the soil. So in other words, if I had fertilized my plot here and had charcoal in the soil and I fertilized it, when it rains, that fertilizer doesn't reach down into the soil and go down through the soil and end up in the pond, causing eutrophication and all these other hardcore processes that destroy fish in the rivers.